Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into Cobra trading, a platform designed with active traders in mind. Stick around to find out if it's the right choice for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest trading reviews and tips. Now let's talk about Cobra trading. Cobra trading isn't your average trading platform. It's tailored for active traders and professionals who need speed, reliability, and top tier tools. One standout feature is the platform's direct market access. This allows you to execute trades faster and more precisely by passing intermediaries for day traders. Every millisecond counts. Now, let's talk costs. Cobra Trading's commission structure is competitive but might not be ideal for casual traders. You're looking at per share or per trade pricing models, and there is a $30 monthly software fee. However, the platform's robust features often justify the cost for high volume traders. What about tools and research? Cobra Trading integrates with platforms like DAS Trader and Sterling Trader Pro. This gives you access to advanced charting, real-time market data, and customizable layouts. Whether you are scalping or swing trading, you'll find these tools invaluable. And yes, there is a mobile app. It's not as feature-rich as the desktop version, but it's perfect for managing trades on the go. But no platform is perfect. Cobra trading does have some downsides. There is no commission free trading here, and the platform might feel overwhelming for beginners. Also, customer support, while excellent, is not 24/7. So, is Cobra trading worth it? If you're an active trader who values speed, advanced tools, and excellent execution, it's definitely worth considering. For beginners or casual investors, you might want to look elsewhere. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.